Hello, class. This is Mr. Baker. Today, I want to talk to you about the different elements of the big revision process, and I want to show you how we're going to get that done. So what I have here is I have a persuasive called up down here in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and just pull that up. This is a Word document. Now, I understand that you guys wrote yours on paper, but you know that my handwriting is just about as good as yours is. So I went ahead and typed mine up. And I figure that we can show you a little bit more clearly what to do and how to do it using this rather than having me write it on the board. So big revision process, we're going through just the big elements of editing, making sure that we've indented, making sure that we've capitalized, making sure that we have punctuation where it goes, and making sure that we have complete sentences. First thing we're going to check is our heading. Now, you know that includes name, date, skip a line. Did we skip a line? Just double check here. Yep. And then title and skip another line. Did we skip it? Yep. Okay. Now we're going to go through and read the draft, and we're going to make corrections where necessary. First thing, did we indent? Does that look like it's indented or scrunched up to the side? That looks like a nice indent, so we'll leave that. It says the National Baseball Hall of Fame in Cooperstown, New York is a very tight place. Anything wrong in that sentence? Nope. Oh, there is something wrong. Look here. The National Baseball Hall of Fame is a particular place, but it looks like we left the word baseball lowercase here, and we need to go ahead and capitalize that. So let's do that. And anything else wrong in that sentence? Oh, looks like between a city and a state, we need a comma. Go ahead and put that in there. Okay. Baseball fans from all over the world visit Cooperstown. Many famous players are represented there. Those two sentences. Any problems? Oh, you're right. That spells fames. We want it to say famous. So I think that's like that. Maybe with the E on the end. Oh, comes up as misspelled. So let's check on that real quick. Okay. Here's the word we want. Okay. And not all ball players are included. There are a few... Wait a minute. What was that you said? Yeah, you can't start a sentence with and. That's correct. And since we're going to start the sentence with not, we should just go ahead and capitalize that. There are a few different reasons why you should see the National Baseball Hall of Fame. First off, you should see the Hall of Fame if you like history. Baseball has been around since 1876, which is 138 years. Any problems? No? Okay, we'll keep going. In that time, the game has changed a lot. Yes, I did stop to pause in between time and the game, so we should probably put a comma there. Okay. Did you know that the batter used to be able to tell the pitcher where to throw the ball? ? For a while, fields didn't have no fences. Let's change. It doesn't sound quite right. How about fields didn't have any fences? Okay. Jackie Robinson broke the color barrier by becoming the first African-American player in the major leagues. Looks like we forgot a letter there. Okay. If you like long trips, the Baseball Hall of Fame is for you. It's 1,220 miles from Omaha. The journey is 18.5 hours by car. Uh-oh. So that's misspelled. Check on that. Half. That's what I want. Okay. 18.5 hours by car. Also, the route takes you through the eastern U.S. from the Missouri. Large cities like Chicago and Cleveland are right on the way. Finally, if you are down with the rural area, get to the Baseball Hall of Fame. Again, that's a specific place. We better capitalize. Cooperstown isn't even really a town. It's a village. The whole place is hidden away in a forest in the Catskill Mountains. Larger towns are miles away. As you can see, a visit to the Baseball Hall of Fame is worth it. Well, that all looks fine and good, but now we need to go through and identify our parts. Well, the first thing we need is some background. So we got all that in the first paragraph. Background, when I think of background, I think that we should outline that in blue. National Baseball Hall of Fame's in Cooperstown. It's a very tight place. That should probably be blue. Baseball fans all over the world visit Cooperstown. That should be blue. Not all ball players included. That should be blue. There are a few different reasons why you should visit the National Baseball Hall of Fame. That shouldn't be blue, and I'll tell you why here in a second. There we go. There are a few different reasons why you should visit the National Baseball Hall of Fame. That's actually going to be our topic sentence, what our whole thing is going to be about. It's a persuasive. I'm going to tell you why you should go visit the National Baseball Hall of Fame. So we'll make that green. Oh, that's awful. Let's do something better than that. Goodness sakes. How about that? Oh yeah, way better. First off, you should see the National Baseball Hall of Fame if you like history. Okay? That's actually going to be a reason. Now, in narrative, we start our paragraphs with a transition. In persuasives, we start our paragraphs with a reason. So we're going to color this yellow to remind us to slow down now and talk about the history element of the Hall of Fame. I'm going to give some details. Baseball's been around since 1876. Next sentence, the game's changed a lot. Batter used to be able to tell the pitcher where to throw the ball. Jackie Robinson breaking the color barrier. All these are details. Details need to be read. Because that's when we're going to, we make them red because we slowed down to give you a reason, and now we're going to stop and give you some details. And those are the details. Now in the next paragraph, we're going to start with another reason to go to the Baseball Hall of Fame. Again, that's our hint to slow down. We're going to make that yellow. Here's the details. We're going to stop and tell you the details. Oh, yep, it's all the rest of the paragraph. You got it now. You're getting the hang of it. Those are all red because those are all details. In the last paragraph, again, we start it with a reason. We're going to slow down. We're going to make it yellow. We're going to give a few details, but not every sentence is going to be a detail. So we're going to give oh, that's not what I want. Oh, that's not what I want. Come on now. Try again. There we go. Those are the details. And then the last sentence is going to restate our topic sentence. It's called a conclusion sentence. And my conclusion sentence is, as you can see, a visit to the Baseball Hall of Fame is worth it. We're going to go ahead and make that green to let you know that's how we're going to finish up, by restating the topic sentence. So, in short, that's how you do a big revision. Hopefully it takes you a little bit longer than it took me, because you're going to pour over your spelling and punctuation, capitalization, and indentation a little bit better than I did. And you're also going to take some time to highlight your parts. Thank you, and good luck with your big revision. If you need any questions, I'll be at my desk.